was like, oh, I'm allergic to something, or I didn't wash out my mouthpiece the right way. I just started like in little spurts. Like I just, start sneezing.
You must be exhausted.
You have no idea. I'm constantly in pain with, my abdomen, and my legs are hurting because I've been weak and I can barely eat. Sometimes I wish that I could leave my body for a little while so that way I can just watch myself sleep and be at peace. Because even in my dreams I sneeze.